Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you our brand new release of Beas Manufacturing 2023.11. In this version, we concentrated on bug fixing, made several improvements in the area of production and APS, added a new event for the product configurator, and a new validation for the external GRPO web app. Let's see all these in detail. In the external production GRPO window, we have added a new field, assembly quantity without factor, which ignores the conversion factor defined in the external operation tab of routing. Now, besides the total quantity and the assembly quantity, you can activate this field as well in window settings. In work orders, if the structure refresh button is pressed, the system shows a warning message now related to the correct topic instead of the standard message. In the area of price determination for materials of a new work order, we have introduced a new functionality. If the parameter Consider Special Price List is active, the system searches for price using SAP DI API. If special price was not defined in the system, Beas continues searching for the price in other tables. Previously, when the parameter was active, the price determination only checked the price using DI API, and if no price was found, the system saved 0 for the price in the BOM definition. In the APS calculation setup, you can activate the material check option, which leads to a calculation if the needed material is available at production time. In this version of Beas, we are extending the material check for storage-related items that are in the BOM of a work order. Please note, the material calculation is only performed for selected work orders. Not calculated entries keep the current state for the material OK value and will not be refreshed. In the external GRPO web app, we added a functionality to validate the parameter stock undercut to check quantity stored on the external warehouse. This below is the new error validation that the system will display when no stock is available. We have added a new user event, which can stop the loading process of a new configuration. It is implemented in the configuration check routine, which checks whether a new configuration already exists when saving it. For examples and further explanation, please go to our Beas script documentation page. In the work order routing position editing screen, the window title information has been optimized. Here, we display the position text field now, instead of the position ID for clear information. This concludes our introduction to the 2023.11 version of Beas Manufacturing. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much, and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.